Hello semua, welcome back to my channel. After spending the weekend in Geneva, by the way, if you haven't checked out the vlog yet, go watch it. I came home to an almost empty fridge, so I decided to grab a Phenix basket to restock some essentials. For those who don't know, Phenix is an app that helps fight food waste by selling surplus food at discounted prices. You never know exactly what you will get, but it's always a fun surprise. So here's what I got for only €3. Mostly fruits and vegetables, and as you can see, everything is still in good condition. Some are slightly crushed, but nothing bad at all, and for this price it's such a steal. Definitely worth it. I stored everything in the fridge, ready to plan some meals around it. Later that day, I spent some time making a huge batch of pancakes, 30 in total. The next morning we will have a breakfast gathering at the office, so I wanted to bring something homemade. Started my morning at 6 a.m. with a workout and then headed to the office for having breakfast. Everyone brought something, and honestly there was so much food that we ended up having lunch and also snacks there too. Since I ate quite a lot throughout the day, I kept dinner super light, a lettuce soup using the greens from the Phenix basket. To add some protein, I top it with TVP and finish my meal with a piece of 85% dark chocolate. Another 6 a.m. workout, followed by coaching a CrossFit class at 7 a.m. For breakfast, I made banana muffins. It's such a great way to use ripped bananas, since the more ripped they are, the sweeter they get. I baked them in the air fryer, more or less at 180 degrees for 15 minutes. And just look how fluffy they turned out. They were so delicious. For lunch, I roasted vegetables from the Phenix basket, pumpkin, potatoes, carrots, and red bell peppers, while cooking lentils for protein. Meanwhile, I boiled fusilli pasta and made a quick creamy sauce with hummus, tahini, and lemon juice. And I sprinkle all of it with nutritional yeast. Finish off the lunch with a fresh orange for dessert. Snack time was apple porridge, a simple but comforting way to use up some older apples from my fridge. Later in the day, I prepared for my third job, coaching more CrossFit classes. I ran 3 kilometers to the gym as my warm-up. And for dinner, I had another bowl of lettuce soup with some toasted bread on the side. And of course, a piece of dark chocolate to end the day. Same morning routines, 6 a.m. workout, 7 a.m. class. For breakfast, I made apple pancakes. Just light an apple, pour the pancake batter over it, and cook them as usual. I top them with a healthier peanut butter alternative made with peanut flour, water, and I put some crushed nuts as well on top. For lunch, I finished the leftover roasted veggies from the day before. And as always, ended with an orange. The snack was Chia pudding that I had prepared the night before, paired with fresh papaya. It was perfect for a refreshing afternoon treat. Dinner, lettuce soup again. Cook once, eat thrice. That's the way to go. Same morning routine, 6 a.m. workout, 7 a.m. coaching. For breakfast, I made a quick bowl cake and topped it with whipped fresh cheese and kiwi. I try to make a bowl cake at least once a week. It's super easy, fast, and really versatile. After breakfast, I found a sweet surprise from my husband, a little note for Valentine's Day. Lunchtime was a quick and easy toast with fried eggs, leftover veggies, and hummus. Simple but satisfying. Later in the day, I treated myself with a little self-care moment and did my Valentine's themed nails before heading out for our surprise dinner date. Normally, we don't celebrate Valentine's Day, so this was unexpected and really special surprise. No breakfast this morning because I had to coach a CrossFit class first thing. For lunch, we ate at my in-laws' house, and for dinner, we hosted a pizza party at home with all the cousins. It was a perfect way to end the day with good food and family. And that wraps up this week of meals. I love how I was able to create budget-friendly, healthy recipes. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if it's the case, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And we see you on the next video. Ciao, ciao!